Node's API development tutorial pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume Nodes is easy to learn without structured guidance. The surprising truth is that tutorial pricing reflects project depth, backend integration, and real-world API building experience. Entry-level tutorials cover basic node setup, routing, and simple APIs. Beginners can learn core concepts but want gain practical experience building production-ready APIs. Mid-tier tutorials include expresses, database integration, authentication, and small projects. Students can build functional APIs suitable for apps and web projects. Premium tutorials add advanced topics like performance optimization, testing, deployment, security, and portfolio-level projects. Professionals and teams gain full mastery and practical skills for production environments. Most people get this wrong by looking only at price. The real value comes from project-based learning, real-world applications, and guidance that accelerates back-end development skills. In conclusion, Node's API tutorial pricing reflects content depth, project complexity, and support. Choosing the right tutorial ensures practical experience, career-ready skills, and maximum value for your investment.